Last month, I built an AI agent that wrote, scheduled, and posted content while I slept. I woke up to 7 days of work done in 0 hours. No code, no subscriptions stacking up, just n8n and a few API keys. Today, I'm giving you 5 agents you can build tonight. They run on autopilot. They handle email, research, content, lead generation, and customer support, the boring stuff that eats your day. The third one made a freelancer I know an extra $2,000 a month, and it took 20 minutes to set up. Stay for that. And here's what nobody tells you about n8n. You don't need to host it yourself or touch a terminal. There's a cloud version with a free trial, and once you see how the nodes connect, you'll never pay for those bloated AI automation tools again. Let me show you exactly what to build. First, the inbox agent. This one alone saves you an hour a day. Open n8n, create a new workflow. Add a Gmail trigger node. Set it to fire on new email. Connect your account. It's OAuth, 2 clicks. Now every incoming email flows into your workflow. Next, drop in an OpenAI node. In the prompt, you write, read this email. Classify it as urgent, sales, newsletter, or ignore. If it needs a reply, draft one in my voice, direct, friendly, under 80 words. Feed it the email body from the previous node. Then add a switch node. Route urgent to a Slack message that pings you. Route sales to draft a reply and save it to Gmail drafts. Route newsletter to auto archive. The result? You open Gmail and the replies are already written. You just hit send. A morning that took an hour now takes 9 minutes. I tested it across 200 emails. It correctly sorted 94% of them. Now agent 2, the research agent. This is the one that makes you look like you did 4 hours of homework in 4 minutes. New workflow. Start with a webhook trigger or a simple form node so you can type a topic in. Then add a node that calls a search API. Tavily or SERP API both have free tiers. Pass your topic as the query. You get back the top 10 live results with snippets. Pipe those into an OpenAI node. Prompt. Here are 10 sources on this topic. Summarize the key findings, pull out 3 contrarian takes, and list every stat with its source link. Then send the output to Notion using the Notion node, or just email it to yourself. So you type State of the Solar Industry 2025, walk away, and 90 seconds later, you've got a sourced briefing in your Notion. Client research, competitor analysis, content prep. A 3-hour task becomes 4 minutes. I run this one daily before any sales call. Agent 3. This is the money one. It's a lead generation and outreach agent. And yes, this is the setup that got my freelancer friend an extra $2,000 a month. Here's the build. Start with a schedule trigger. Set it to run every morning at 7 a.m. Add an HTTP request node that hits a source of fresh leads. Apollo and Apify both let you pull lists, say, marketing agencies in Austin, founded in the last 2 years. You get back names, companies, and emails. Loop through them with a loop over items node. For each lead, call OpenAI. Write a cold email. Mention their company by name, reference something specific about their business, and offer one concrete result. Keep it under 90 words. No fluff? No, I hope this finds you well. Then connect a Gmail or SMTP node to send it. Or better, push the drafts to a sheet so you approve before sending. Add a wait node and a follow-up 2 days later for anyone who didn't reply. So every morning, 20 personalized cold emails go out before you wake up. 20 a day is 600 a month. At a 2% reply rate, that's 12 conversations you didn't have to start. My friend closed 2 clients off that in month 1. The agent does the prospecting. You just take the calls. The key is the personalization line. Generic templates get ignored. The AI reading each company and writing one specific sentence. That's the difference between spam and a meeting. Agent 4, the content machine. This runs your social media while you sleep. New workflow, schedule trigger, daily. First node, pull your source material. Maybe it's an RSS feed of industry news or a Notion database of your ideas. Feed that into OpenAI with this prompt. Turn this into 5 short posts for LinkedIn and X. Hook first line, 1 idea each. No hashtags, conversational. Now here's the part people miss. Chain a second AI call. Prompt it. Pick the strongest of these 5 and rewrite it to be even punchier. You're using the agent to edit itself. The quality jumps. Then connect a scheduling tool. Use the HTTP node to post directly to a platform's API or send to a buffer-style scheduler. Add a Google Sheets node to log everything so you have a content archive. The result, you sleep, and 5 days of posts get written, ranked, and queued. A week of content in 0 active minutes. The thing that used to kill your Sunday now just happens. Agent 5, the support agent. This is for anyone with customers, a course, or a product. Build it on a webhook connected to your contact form or a chat widget. Incoming question hits the webhook. Before the AI answers, add a node that pulls your knowledge base, connect a vector store, or even just a Google Doc of your FAQs read into the workflow. Now the AI answers from your actual information, not made-up nonsense. OpenAI node prompt. Answer this customer question using only the provided documentation. If you can't answer confidently, say a human will follow up. That last line matters. It stops the agent from hallucinating refunds. Route confident answers straight back to the customer. Route the uncertain ones to your inbox with a Slack alert. The outcome: 80% of support questions get answered instantly, day or night, in your voice. You only touch the hard 20%. For a one-person business, that's the difference between drowning and scaling. So that's 5 agents: inbox, research, outreach, content, and support. Together, they cover most of what actually eats your week. Here's your one next step. Don't build all 5 tonight. Pick the agent that solves your biggest time sink right now. Open n8n, start a free workflow, and build just that one. You'll have it running in under 30 minutes. Momentum comes from finishing one. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you how to chain all 5 of these into a single master agent, one that decides which job to run on its own. That's where this stops being automation and starts being a team. Go build the first one, then go to sleep.